Hello and welcome back to the Gourmet Gambit. Today we're going to make some beautiful stuffed chicken wings, and of course we're going to put our Gourmet Gambit special touch on this one. There's quite some work to do on this recipe, so let's get started. So first we're going to take out the bones. It's not the easiest job to do, but the more you do, the easier it becomes. You got the bone down here, just cut it around until you get to the bone itself. And then you just pull it down like this. Break the bone. Now this is the tricky part, because you can easily cut the skin where we are here. So what we're going to do is get this articulation off. See? And then we're trying to go beneath the two bones, the two smaller bones. See? Pull the meat down again. Here's the smaller bone coming. Now we're going to get up the other one. Can be a little bit tricky. And here we go. And here we got our chicken wing completely deboned. And of course you can use the bones to make a beautiful chicken stock. I'm going to use some chicken legs for the stuffing. I find the chicken breast a little bit too dry, so we're just going to cut up the meat. We're going to add the prawns or the shrimps to the chicken. Just mix it up a little bit with the meat. I'm using a disc of 10mm holes. And we're going to ground up our prawns and chicken. And here we go. First we're going to add a little bit of cabbage. Chinese cabbage is the best. We chop this finely. We're going to add this to the chicken. A little bit of celery. Spring onions. Lemongrass. We're only going to take the tender part. There we go. Garlic clove. Whoa. Mushroom. And here we go again. And that is just great. Mungo bean sprouts, or soybean sprouts. Lovely flavour. And here we go. Take a little bunch of cilantro, fresh coriander. We're also going to take some mint leaves. I'm going to chop this all up grossly. That's enough. Salt, fish sauce, Nyokman, very good. And we're going to use some Indonesian sweet soy sauce. ketchup mayonnaise. And now we're going to mix it all up. And it's time to do our stuffing. This is going to take a little while. Once we get it stuffed, put back the little bit of chicken skin, and here we go. I think this is a better way to do it. Here you go. Much easier. And the final touch, a little bit of my sweet Indonesian soy sauce. We're going to preheat the oven up to 180 degrees Celsius with the ventilator on. If you don't have a ventilator, put your oven on 190 degrees Celsius, and it's a go for 20 minutes. I'm going to serve my stuffed wings with some sambal terasi, a lovely Indonesian chili paste. You can find the recipe at the end of the video. Filled with all fresh ingredients, gives us some beautiful flavors. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Bon appetit, and see you back soon.